go!
Go, Alex!
Ate Obra! Alex,
Go, Alex!
congratulations!
Ayan, oo.
Galing, grabe.
Oo. Do
Super
you do
proud.
that? Do you try to do resistance training?
Ako?
Oo.
Yes.
Oo,
I
di ba?
try, oo.
Kasi ang sabi nila, yung legs mo is your second heart. So kailangan yung leg muscles mo, kasing tibay nung
Very
kay
strong.
VP Sara.
Ano sa segue?
Oo, ganda.
Nakatayo pa rin
Pinagpapawisan.
kahit binabato ng binabato. Hindi natitinag. Ganyan pa. Tatakbo akong presidente.
Nagulat ka ba?
Nagulat ako sa timing. But then, considering that the impeachment case, resurrection is imminent, then this is the perfect timing for her.
Yeah.
Hindi ba?
Yeah, I guess a lot of people were looking into saying they're not surprised. Alam naman natin na tatakbo. At least that's what we think. Pero yung timing, nangyari nga bago ang impeachment, hearing ng impeachment complaint sa House of Representatives. But also on one side, at least it's good. Somebody already declared, right? 1 year and 3 months prior to the elections, kung tama ang aking...
Is it really only 1 year and 3 months na lang?
It's Chinek ko na. 2 years to
2 years.
months pa pala.
Okay.
Ano nangyari sa akin?
Oo,
Okay,
kita mo na.
26,
Before the election.
2026.
Mag-squats ka pa.
Oo nga.
2 years, 2 months.
Naku, nagkamali ako doon. 2
Oo.
years
2
and
years?
3
So,
months.
maaga.
2 months.
Maaga.
Yeah, but it's
Maaga.
game time na.
I don't recall anyone who declared this early.
O ito, meron akong theory. Dahil lang sa Marites ito, na mayroon daw mga ilang congressman na nahihikayat ng wag bumoto para sa impeachment.
Oo.
Ang kapalit nun, hindi sila pag-iinitan, susuportahan, at dahil sila'y kinakabahan, dahil wala pang katapat si VP Sara at mataas siya sa survey, parang yun ang balak nila, mag-a-abstain or mag-a-absent.
Interesting.
Pwede.
Pwedeng ganun din. Kaya, kailangan niyang yun, panindigan.
Walang ambagan dyan, ma'am, ha?
Walang ambagan, oo. Yung biro
kayong
lang kita, grabe, 2
mag-abstain.
million lang, di naman kailangan 20. Abstain?
Either yes or no.
Oh, either you are for the impeachment or you're not. Either the charges are valid for you or it's not. Huwag yung abstain kasi either you believe it or you don't. Either you're for it or you're against
Correct.
it.
Paano iba sila mag-isip? Either I make it or I don't.
Yun na nga. Yun talaga yung tinatawag na political survival.
Yes.
Di bantayan natin yung mga mag-abstain.
Tayan natin kung sino yung mga mag-abstain bigla.
Saka yung mga
Andito
poporma.
po
We're
kami.
watching you.